Heard something fall out of the tree and found this little baby bird. Hey baby, show us your inside of your mouth. He did open his mouth all wide like he thought we was gonna feed it earlier, but we didn't, of course. Well, there's some birds hanging around. We're not sure who the mama is, but I took an old purse and put some towels in the bottom and an old bird's nest on top. We're gonna put the baby inside, and my husband is gonna put a rope through the purse and hoist it up in the tree, and hopefully the mama will continue to take care of it. Above you, like right up there. I think that would be good, don't you? And those look sturdy, right in the center. Oh, good try. Attempt number 3. Oh, good one. All right. I think that'd be the perfect spot.